Okay, this is about checking the disc brake drag on the ST1300 rear disc. And what I've done is I've relaxed the pressure on the 3 pistons by squeezing the calipers in. I provided a good clearance. I can get about 1 1/4 turns with a good spin maximum. Then I stepped on the brake pedal a few times to activate the center piston. And then I've spun the wheel, and now I'll let you listen to what that sounds like. So this is with the 2 outer pistons activated via the SMC, not pushed out. So those would not be adding a drag at this point. It would only be the center piston. And about 1 1/4 turns if I spin it really fast with my heel or my foot. Now I have extended the 2 outer pistons by squeezing manually the SMC and then releasing it. That should have pushed the pistons out to the disc, and then we'll see what it sounds like. So there's a little more drag, and previously I should have shown you this, but I could wiggle this before a little bit. You can wiggle it just a slight bit, and that's because these 2 outer pistons are closer now to the disc, or right next to it. They're not super tight, there's a little bit of wiggle there, and you can kind of see the caliper moving just a little bit, maybe hard to see. And I can feel that there's a little more friction on the wheel. Probably can still get about 1 1/4 turns. Let's try that. But I think there's a little bit more drag from those 2 outer pistons. And let's see what that does. We'll watch the valve stem here. Okay, and a good kick. Just about 1 1/4 turns, and the bike is cold. It's probably about 40 degrees out, so friction is probably pretty intense right now. That's about what it is.